Hi guys, welcome back to the Empire. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best free money-making apps that you can use in 2023 to earn some extra cash fast and in a completely legitimate way. I tried and tested all of these apps myself, so I can vouch for their effectiveness and reliability. Whether you're looking to make some extra pocket money or you're in need of a more substantial income stream, these apps are definitely worth checking out. Most of these apps are designed to be accessible to anyone, regardless of where you're from, who you are, or what skills you have. They're user-friendly and require little to no expertise to start earning money. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection, and you're good to go. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, these apps offer a great way to make some extra cash in your spare time. So don't let any limitations hold you back. Anyone can use these apps to start making money today. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Number 1. Ranted Surveys. Ranted Surveys is the first one I want to show you. And Ranted Surveys was a site that paid people to take surveys. But they also just put out an app, which not many people know about yet. And that means that you can now get access to the high-paid service that they have both from iOS devices and from Android devices. Just know that you can only join Ranted Surveys if you live in the United States, the United Kingdom, or Canada. But if you live in one of these countries, this app is a great way to make money, and you only need to make $5 to cash out. You can get paid in cash or pick from a variety of gift cards. Number 2. Free Cash. The next one is called Free Cash, and its app is only available for Android. But you can still use it on other devices by going to the website and logging in. This is one of the best get paid to sites where you can make money in a lot of different ways, like by taking paid services or offers. They have great leaderboard contests where you can get free prizes every day. And if you want to be paid in cryptocurrency, you only need to make 25 cents to get paid. If you want, you can also get paid with PayPal Cash after earning $5, or you can choose from a number of gift cards. And Free Cash is a platform that people from almost every country can use. Number 3. Survey Junkie. As the name suggests, Survey Junkie is a paid survey site, but you can only join if you live in the United States, Canada, or Australia. But it is very easy to use if you live in one of these countries. It pays pretty well to take surveys, and you only need to make $5 before you can cash out. You can choose to get paid in cash or on a variety of gift cards. Number 4. Pawns. This app can be downloaded on both iOS and Android devices, and you can use it from pretty much anywhere. It used to just be a way to earn passively by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. You can still do this from both your phone and your computer, but now you can also earn by taking paid surveys in many different countries. You can use the way to make money without doing much work in almost every country. The paid surveys are not yet available in every country, but they are becoming available in more and more places. And all you have to do to get paid is make $5. You can choose to get paid in PayPal Cash, Bitcoin, or a variety of gift cards. Number 5. Pennycon Research. Pennycon Research is one of the best survey sites because you can usually get at least $3 per survey. But you should know that it's a little bit strange because you can only join through an invitation link, and they can always accept new members. They do have an app, and you can also use it on their website. Once you've earned just $3, you can get paid in cash. So basically, all you have to do is fill out one survey, and you can get paid. Before we go any farther, I want to remind you guys to like the video and subscribe to the channel because here at the Empire, we will help you to build your empire. Back to business. Number 6. Viewfruit. Viewfruit is the next site on our list. Viewfruit is a paid survey site that is available in about 20 countries. But you can also win great prizes by entering a lucky draw in addition to getting paid to take surveys. And the surveys you can fill out here pay pretty well. And you only need to make $5 before you can withdraw your money. And PayPal lets you get paid in cash. Number 7. SurveyTime. SurveyTime is a great site because you get paid as soon as you finish a survey. Most of the time you get $1 per survey, no matter how long it is. And SurveyTime just put out an app, so now you can easily access the surveys from your phone, whether you have an iPhone or an Android. This is a survey site with an app that people from most countries can use. And the reward is the same, which is pretty unusual. No matter where you live, you will still get $1 per survey you finish here. Number 8. Adipole. As you can see on its website, is also a paid survey app that you can use on both Android and iOS devices. It also has a fair amount of paid surveys. Only certain countries can get it. It's hard to get a full picture of which ones it is, but you can go to Google Play or the App Store and see if it's available in your country. You can use it if it is. And what I really like about it is that the payout threshold is usually very low, like $3 or $4. This can vary a bit from country to country though. Once you ask for your money, they give it to you right away. And that's something I like for sure. And if you don't want PayPal Cash, you can also get paid in Revolut or gift cards. And in some countries, you can also donate to charity. Number 9. Quiply. It is a great way to get free cryptocurrencies. If you want to use it on your Android phone, there is an app for that. If you have an iOS device and want to use, all you have to do is log in on the website. But you can still make money by watching videos, playing games, clicking on ads, and filling out paid surveys. They have a lot of different things in there, and they are always adding new ways to make money. And you only have to make about $3.50 before you get paid. And as we've already said, it focuses on cryptocurrencies, so you can only use it if you want to get paid in cryptos. It's a platform that people from almost every country can join. Number 10. Last but not least, there is App Karma. If you like to play games on your phone, this is a great way to make money. You can sign up from almost every country. Just know that it works only with Android devices. But basically, all you have to do is download it and then play games on your phone or download other games and play them through that app. This is how you make money. And all you have to do to get paid is make $3. And it pays out in PayPal cash or a variety of gift cards depending on which country you live in. So as you can see, there are a lot of great apps that can help you make money for free. And they are quick and easy ways to make a little extra cash. And if this video helped you, make sure to give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Empire and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next time we post a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.